Hello guys, welcome to Tech Refiner. Today we are going to see about the option groups. Option grouping. Okay, and I'm giving an enter here and select opt group. Okay, option group 1, option 2. Okay. The group name should be in the label attribute. So group 1, let's see now. Yeah, got it right. This is the grouping which I have given group 1. That I have couple of options. Maybe I'll give you the real time scenario. Animal, cat, dog. Got it right. Actual options are here, but when you're opening it, there will be a grouping. You can see some headings, so you can make it as a chapter heading. So if you want another option group, you can get as a bird. So here owl, peacock. See now, birds, owl and peacock are here. So this is called grouping. You cannot select this heading because that is a grouping one, just for a grouping, and that will be a label. So you cannot select those. You can select these options. Whatever in the options you can able to select. This is a cool, right? Very cool feature. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video soon. Bye.